With the exchange program, there's no downtime. Once they place the order, the vaporizer will go out to the customer. They basically remove their vape, install the new one, box it back up, and it comes right back to us. They have no downtime, so they're able to keep right on working, and it's very little cost to the customer. In the veterinary market, we pretty much service every vaporizer that you'll see in a veterinary clinic. Yes. The vaporizers will come in, they'll tear the vaporizer completely apart, clean all the components of the vaporizer, replace the wicking material, O-rings, gaskets, seals, whatever the vaporizer, depending on the style of vaporizer, of course. And they'll rebuild that vaporizer. They'll also set the thermostats to water resistant settings. The vaporizers will go through a pressure test, an internal and external. They must pass that test. And if they don't, then we have to tear the vaporizer apart and find out why it's leaking. If they pass the pressure test, they move on to where they're filled with anesthetic, and they sit for at least an hour so that the wick material inside can absorb the anesthetic agent. And after that, they are processed through our laser refractometer, and the laser refractometer works in conjunction with the PC to print out our calibration report that we also provide to the customer. When it passes all of that calibration, they're drained, air dried so that they can be shipped to the customer in a dry state. They're then labeled and put into finished goods.